Wow, picture this. Imagine being a police officer who was called to help with a wreck on the freeway, only for this to happen to the tow truck that you called to clean up the mess. On May 24th of this year, a Lowndes County deputy was helping with the crash when he caught this on his body cam.
At their last 1050 rollover. 102nd EMS immediate roll.
God damn, son. The driver was a 21-year-old female from Tallahassee, Florida. In the incident report, it said that it had the flashers on, but you know what? From the video, you can see that in the front, there were no flashers. She was transported to the hospital where she had critical injuries, but she is expected to survive. Good for her, but to keep it real, how many times have any of us seen a lowered tow truck ramp and just wanted to do some Evel Knievel shit? Keep it real, bro. Guilty as charged. And if you was born from the 90s and up, Google this cat. Legend.